Hello again, folks. So here it is, the finished cabinet. As you can see, it's all stained up, and we've got some nice new handle things on the door things and the drawer things, and well, I don't know if you can see, I've also put a nice piano hinge to full length of these big massive thick doors, so they're nicely supported now. Taken a bit off, reinforced all the base, stained all the shelves, even stained inside all the drawers. So there we go. That is my sympathetic cabinet restoration project complete, which now, just swing around here, looks like the rest of my furniture, and also is the same colour as my floating shelves, which I've put over there. So yeah, that's it really. Oh, and I've been tidying up the table. You probably can't tell. These are all the pics I'm working on at the minute for Oz's Challenge locks. I am Groot. But this is what I wanted to say. I've found loads of locks while I've been tidying up. There's a wafer lock here. I've got an Ace. We've got a nice Sao. Some dimple locks. And this beast, quite a nice one. It's a Tessie. So, really heavy lock. I just thought, well, I'll do a video in a minute and we'll have a go at picking this one, I think, because it's a real nice looking lock. So, yeah. Anyway, that's it for now, folks. I just thought I'd do a little ramble and an update. And, yeah, I'll speak to you all very soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.